melted, Mexican, stabilized. Already cut a few pieces of this. It's what I call pleasing at angles. Look how that dips down in there. And that's all got to go. So it's a natural stabilized stone, it's not dyed. There's not too many sports left, so come watch Sir RocksAlot, why not? It can be a sport sometimes. I tend to lose a rock or two. We go flying off of here, and then we go on a hunt. Alright, let's take a look at this one.